Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding wagons that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the BEAU JARDIN Folding Beach Wagon Cart. With this blue wagon cart, you will quickly move stuff on any terrain without worry. Furthermore, the spacious accessory is made from high-grade 600D polyester and heavy-duty steel frame. Also, it comes ready for use and doesn't need any assembly. It's exquisite and sleek courtesy of the black color, and the frame has been powder-coated to offer long life. Last but not least, the large wheels move seamlessly even on rough surfaces and also have a good grip on various surfaces. Moving on at number 4, we have the Timber Ridge Folding Camping Wagon. This blue wagon by Timber Ridge is perfect for the beach, park, home, concert, and many other places. Users love its roomy nature that can accommodate lots of items. The reliable and sturdy cart comprises a strong steel frame and heavy-duty polyester fabric and comes with a user-friendly and ergonomic telescopic handle that makes pulling easy. Moreover, it can be collapsed to a smaller size for storage or transportation. On a hard surface, it can support up to 150 pounds and 110 pounds on soft surfaces such as sand. At number 3, we have the Radio Flyer Ultimate Easy Folding Wagon. There are a number of reasons why this red foldable wagon from Radio Flyer is popular. 1. It is well built from quality steel and fabric. 2. The canopy can easily be removed and put back. 3. The full-size wagon can accommodate 2 users. 4. The telescoping handles improves mobility. 5. The safety belts improve safety while the included cup holders secure beverages. Lastly, users also like its lightweight, easy clean canopy, and stylish design. At number 2, we have the MacSports Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding All-Terrain Utility Beach Wagon Cart. The third position goes to this stylish blue-white wagon cart. The heavy-duty unit is perfect for the outdoors, including the beach, campsite, picnic, concerts, and comes with a user-friendly design. Furthermore, the handles are easy to adjust. It's rated 150 pounds, and can be collapsed to a small size for storage or carrying. The quality fabric is both strong and easy to clean. Easily haul your gear with the MacSports Folding Utility Wagon. It opens in seconds. The lightweight durable design has a 150 lb capacity and is a must-have to transport heavy bulky loads. And finally at number 1, we have the MacSports WTC 111 Outdoor Utility Wagon. Hauling up to 150 pounds is comfortable with this blue folding wagon by MacSports. Although lightweight, this product comes with a heavy-duty 600D polyester frame and sturdy steel frame. On top of that, it comes in a collapsible and foldable design that opens up within seconds. For improved maneuverability, the cart comes with a user-friendly and adjustable handle and large wheels. Great for trips to the beach, park, camping, outdoor sporting events, gardening and much more. The accordion-style floor makes setup and breakdown a breeze. It folds easily into its own carry bag for compact storage.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.